Welcome to lesson 2 of English sounds. As I told you, make sure you practice the alphabet sounds. Make sure you memorize all the alphabet sounds. Okay? If you memorize the alphabet sounds, this course is going to be very easy for you. So please take your time, practice the alphabet sounds. And also, I'm going to speak at a low pace so that you can easily understand me. And also, what we are going to do, I'm going to give you some examples. I'm going to form some words. But for any word that you do not understand, please, I request you to use your dictionary so that you can get the meaning of those words. Okay? Let us continue with lesson 2. Okay, so now we are looking at sound R. R. The sound is R. So when we connect it with the consonants, these are the syllables that we get. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, up to the last one, okay? And so we can use these syllables to form words. For example, ba, g, ba, g, and then we say bag, bag, you see? Ma, ti, ma, ti, mat, you see? Fa, ti, fa, ti, and then we say fat. Ra, g, ra, g, rag, you see? Wa, s, p, wa, s, p, and then we shall have wasip, wasip, da, di, da, di, dad, ka, ti, ka, ti, cat, cat, ta, pu, ta, pu, tap, tap, ja, ja, jam, jam. You see? So those are some of the examples. For any word that you don't understand here, please use a dictionary. And also, I think you see, it is very important for you to memorize the alphabet sounds. They are very important. And also, whenever I'm speaking, try to speak after me. Before we continue with the next lesson, let us first do this exercise. I want you to pause this video, then write the answers here. And then after, you continue with the video. Okay, so now check and see whether these are your answers. Ba, ba, di. So your answer should be bad. Ba, ba, g. So here you should have bag. And then here, ball. And then ba, n, di. And then to be band. band. I hope you have this. Okay, that is good. And then we also have mat. So you must have mat. Ma, pu, ma, pu. So you must have map. Ma, ni, ma, n, ma, n. And then we have man, man. And then we have ma, s, t. So so it will be ma, s, t, must, must. So if you have this, then that is correct. Okay, so let us move on to lesson number 3.